Hey there, it's Sean from Simplex. I'm happy to be here with you today to discuss truck maintenance. Making sure that your truck is in good shape will make things a lot easier when you hit the road. Now let's get into some important things you should be inspecting in order to keep your fleet well maintained and running smoothly. Fluids. Checking on your truck's underhood fluids is one of the most important yet easiest steps in truck maintenance. You should take note of fluid levels between each check, as a drop in fluid levels can indicate leakage or consumption problems. It's also important to follow manufacturer suggestions for fluid changes to save you from big problems with this in the future. Tires. Verifying your tire pressure, condition, and tread depth are crucial for a successful trip. To avoid uneven wear that can cause your tires to blow out on the road, make sure the tires are inflated and aligned properly. Brakes. When you're on the road, being able to bring your truck to a stop safely and timely is very important. That's why we suggest frequently inspecting your brakes to check for any signs that your brake system is not balanced and needs to be readjusted, or that it has reached its maximum wear condition and it's time for a replacement. Air filters. Keeping a clean air filter will help your engine run more smoothly, maximizing fuel economy. These air filter checks and replacements should be done more often if you are driving through dustier roads. Electrical system and battery. While you only need to check up on your electrical system and battery once a year, it is a part of truck maintenance that should not be forgotten. Driving long distances and the pattern of frequently stopping and starting have an effect on the durability of these very important systems. Clutch and gearbox. The clutch and gearbox are always at work when you're transporting heavy loads from location to location. Whenever possible, it is important to ensure that your gearbox is working as it should and that your clutch is not slipping so that you can still rely on it while operating your vehicle. Exterior lighting. Verifying that your running, brake, signal, and hazard lights are all working before getting back on the road only takes a few seconds and can save you a lot of trouble. You can be pulled over for a burnt out bulb in any of these lights, so always remember to do a quick inspection of your exterior lighting to avoid unnecessary stops in your journey. Fifth wheel platform. We suggest inspecting your platform for any greasing, cleaning, or adjusting you might need to perform to eliminate any problems with hooking your trailer to your truck. When checking on your fifth wheel platform, you should also take note of any excessive wear on any parts that might need to be replaced. We hope that this video helped to sharpen your knowledge of truck maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more tips on maintenance, safety compliance, and all things trucking. Thanks for joining me. My name is Sean, and I hope to see you soon.